This is going to be a quick follow-up video to one of my most popular videos that I ever listed on YouTube from almost 4 years ago, how to fix a faulty key switch. Now, if you remember at the end of that video, the W key was working perfectly, but the problem was the LED lights were out because I fried a couple of the contacts. Well, after a few years of watching other people repair some circuit boards and getting some ideas from other people, I'm going to see if that negative solder pad will give enough contact to actually hold a connection to the LED. And then on the back side of the positive, we're now kind of upside down on the circuit board. On the positive, which is that one, I'm going to try and either make that connection or make a jumper cable over to this little tiny dot here. Failing that, I'm going to try and jump it to one of the neighboring LED pins and see if that works. Honestly, I just want the LED to work to complete the circuit. If it doesn't work, then I mean, it doesn't really matter. If the key switch doesn't work, it doesn't really matter. It should, sort of, but it's also the scroll lock, so I'd never actually used it much anyway. I think the contacts for the actual key on the back of the keyboard are still intact, so I'm going to try and remedy my mistake from 4 years ago. So I've just tried this jumper configuration, and all LEDs except for this one that fell out, the one that I damaged last time, worked. So this leads me to believe that all of these LEDs going down the board are wired in series, and this is the positive voltage, so I've just jumped it to the next LED. So what I think I have to do is I'm not gonna heat this connector up again. I'm just gonna cut it right here, right close by, and then I'm going to run another jumper from the negative of this LED to the positive of this LED, and hopefully that'll make all LEDs work. All right, and here it is, the moment of truth. Aha! There it is. All of the LEDs are now lit up. That's rather exciting. Very, very cool. And the brightness control works. Fantastic. And we're going to go down and back up. Awesome. All right, I'm just going to close this back up and away we go. And here it is in all of its glory. As you can see, all of the lights now work, even the tab button, which was giving me some issues before. And there's that scroll lock LED, and I don't know what's going on, but I might have missed a resistor in series that was running in the circuit, so that one's a little bit brighter than the rest of them. You know, the brightness for the rest of them still works. Down and up. All the LEDs work and all of the keys work. I've actually been using this as my second keyboard on my desk. You can see the chroma that replaced it up there for my work computer because everyone's working at home now. So this has been a great treat that I was able to fix this guy and bring it back from the dead, resurrect it, so to speak. I was super happy I got this finished. You guys seemed to like the last video, so I wanted to make sure that I followed up with a happy conclusion now that I finally had the time to finish this. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one.